In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and TradingView. We'll go from a simple Google search to drawing a clean parallel channel on the EUR/USD chart inside TradingView, keeping things fast and beginner-friendly. Start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search box, type TradingView. In the results, look for the official link titled TradingView, Track All Markets. That's the homepage that gives you access to charts, screeners, and drawing tools. Click that result to enter the platform. Once you're on TradingView, locate the search field at the top of the page. This is where you can pull up instruments, symbols, and ideas. Type Euro versus United States dollar, or simply EUR/USD, which is the most traded currency pair and perfect for demonstrations. In the list that appears, click on Euro versus United States dollar to open its chart. On the charting page, move your attention to the vertical toolbar on the left. Find the Trendline Tools icon. It looks like a diagonal line. Click it to reveal the full set of drawing options designed for trend analysis. From that menu, choose Parallel Channel. This tool is ideal for visualizing price movement within a rising or falling range. Now let's place it on the chart. Click anywhere on the chart to set your first anchor point. Slowly drag to extend the baseline in the direction of the trend you're analyzing. As the tool initializes, you'll see a second parallel line. Grab that parallel line and drag it to encompass the price action, aligning it with recent swing highs or lows to define the channel's width. Aim for the most touches without forcing it. The best channels contain multiple reactions at both boundaries. A couple of quick tips as you position the channel. Zoom in if you need precision, and use steady mouse movements for smoother placement. If your platform supports snapping or angle locking, that can help keep things tidy, but it's optional. You can always refine the channel later by hovering the edges to adjust the anchors, fine-tuning both the slope and the width until it mirrors price behavior. And that's it. You used Google to reach TradingView, searched for the EUR/USD chart, opened the Trendline tools, selected the parallel channel, clicked to start the drawing, and dragged the parallel line to frame the move. With this foundation, you can quickly spot areas where price may find support or resistance inside the channel and plan your next steps with more confidence.